Hi, Christina. Thanks for opting in here to the critique. Um, I just opened this up. Say Yes to the World campaign. I like overall, I love how you have this full bleed, really nice black with the yellow and the green. Looks good with the white writing similar. So your slide design is off to a good start. When does a dairy become a bestseller? That's an interesting question. Okay. Oh, so you're analyzing the overall layout. Watch something weird's going on here with this black line. I don't know. Yeah, you don't have it on the other one, so I'm guessing that's a mistake. So make sure that black line disappears. You can have strong left alignment starting with your P and running down here. This is a lot of white sans serif writing. So either change something out so it's not sans serif, maybe this down here, but I actually like it all sans serif, but I would make this smaller. So you have some kind of contrast. It almost looks like this is a part of the ad then, so it's maybe a little bit too matchy. So play around with size or something to add some variety to this, or color perhaps, just something to differentiate this from the ad that it's on top of. Let's see, original ad, color analysis. This is going a little weird. It's not a full bleed like the other ones. It's overlapping on top of the ad, so make sure this stays consistent with what you have going on this page, which looks good. Um, feel like something weird has happened because you have this yellow amount of space here, but that's gone on this one. So did you make this ad bigger than this one? I feel like your ad, yeah, you did. I would probably keep your ad the same size, and then keep the placement of those background elements the exact same, like this background box, this one here, keep them all the exact same so you don't have a wide variety. And what looks really nice and clean is your intro page or this page, the placement. But I wouldn't have it on top and with this yellow space on top and on bottom. I would just have it end nice and clean like this one. Or if you keep your ad smaller, have this yellow amount of space. Either one of those is fine. Okay. Um, Watch placement, keep these nice and tidy. Make sure your O or any letter never sets on the exact edge of the shape it's in front of. You want to have some space between that so there's always a buffer between your writing and the shape behind it. Okay. Similarly, this looks a tiny bit too close, the B and the C, to the edge of your image. See how on this one, well, maybe this is a little too close to. I'd move it over a little bit. Okay. Um, and then this is your new ad. Where are the ends of the earth? Say yes to the world. Okay, so the first time you introduce your new ad, I would have it be just the ad by itself so I can see it in its entirety without this draw over or any writing on it. Just say new ad and have it there so I can look at it and appreciate it. Then I would jump into the analysis like you've done. Here's another example where you have a little bit of this yellow in between, so you want to make sure that's not there. Then you can jump into your analysis. This is getting a little hard to read, to be honest. Maybe pull a color. Maybe you do black on this one to contrast with your lighter ad behind it. That might be a good choice. I like your ad. Your ad's looking good. Oh, and then here's slide title. Okay, so yeah, I would bump this one up so you intro your new ad analysis with just the image of the new ad. Okay. Um, this is interesting. You have the Lufthansa logo as like a watermark right here, and that's not on your original one. I'm assuming that's intentional, but it looks a little weird since it's not on the original. Um, be sure to turn off your hyphens because you have your hyphens on here. And yeah, you're off to a really, really good start. I like it a lot. I like the direction you're heading. Focus on cleaning up your slides, keep them all super consistent. Make sure all your type is legible clearly on your actual slide themselves. But yeah, you're off to a really good start. You just need to clean up those slides. That's probably going to be the most time consuming thing, is making sure everything is nice, crisp, consistent, and then maybe I don't really have any critique for your ad itself. Where are the ends of the earth? It looks very similar. This is bigger writing, which is kind of could be a choice, really large writing, and then this a little bit smaller. Let's see what that would look like. Where are the ends of the earth? You can make this a little bit bigger if you wanted to, but I actually think it's still pretty compelling the size it is, and there's a contrast to this. Um, so yeah, your ad is off to a great start. Really like your ad. Just need to clean up your slides. Okay, great job, Kristina.